fume hood's efficiency depends on its proficiency in containing the toxic vapors generated inside the fume hood. 4 aspects are taken into consideration. The first is the containment value. Containment tests are carried out at 3 points: during type test, on-site during installation, and with the hood in operation. The responsibility for deciding whether the containment of toxic vapors is acceptable rests with the business owner. Internal standards establish limit values for fume hood containment tests, face velocity, and air exchange. The second aspect concerns the airflow stability. The Eurotherm Digital Fume Hood's VAV Variable Air Volume Kit can provide control for variable conditions. For example, control of airflow demonstrating an error equal to 0.1% of the set point, caused by sash movements or operators passing by, will typically react in 1.2 seconds. We must then consider air changes. Regardless of the sash position, the Eurotherm Digital Fume Hood VAV Kit helps to regulate the airflow to meet the number of air changes inside the hood, as required by regulators. And finally, the room environment. The Eurotherm Digital Fume Hood VAV Kit can be integrated into the existing building management system to help control the room pressure and air changes as part of one system. The Digital Fume Hood's VAV Kit helps to improve the efficiency of the entire laboratory.